I'm so excited I finally got this order in. I've been waiting almost 3 months for it to come in. Now it doesn't usually take that long. I ordered from a site called PandaWhole, which is actually a wholesale site of a company called PandaWhole, which you may have heard of. Normally it takes like maybe a month to get to me after I place the order. But for some reason there was a holdup with one of the charms. They had made about 2/3 of the order, but I'd say for like the last month or two, there's been no updates. So I told them, just go ahead and cancel the rest of that order and just ship me the package. So there's only a few things in here, but I wanted to go through them and show you what I make with them because they're some of my best sellers. And I don't know if I've shown these on my channel yet. I know a few of them I haven't. So I'm excited to get into this. So let's open this package and take a look. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Just bubble wrap, I can use that for packages. So these are stainless steel tube beads, and I use these for making bracelets. So I actually have to have these specially made. When I first ordered them, the curve was not curved enough. I actually ended up figuring out another way to make a bracelet so I can still use those. But these are what I was looking for, so I could make these type of bracelets. So this is a memory wire bracelet. And you just put it on, just wrap around your wrist like that, and there it is. And this is a birthstone bracelet. This is a Swarovski crystal. It's a bicone shape, and all of these beads on here are stainless steel. So obviously not the Swarovski crystal, but everything else is. And the wire is also stainless steel, so don't have to worry about it tarnishing. That's a good thing. And it's really easy to put on. They just, a lot of people are like thinking when they pick it up, they're like, okay, put it on like this. I'm like, oh, it doesn't fit. And so then I have to tell people, you know, how to put it on. But once they know, it's pretty easy to do. And a lot of people like buying things that have their birthstone on it. So I ordered quite a few of these beads because I forget how many it takes on here. I think it's 7 or 8. So I use them up pretty quickly making those. So let's take all of those out. These are spring ring clasps. These are stainless steel spring ring clasps, and they are, I think they're 6 millimeters across. So the ones I had bought before, I don't think I bought them from PandaWhole, but I bought them from somewhere, and they were a little small. I think they were 5 millimeters. So this is the best size for what I'm doing, and I'll show you what that is. It's a layered necklace clasp, and this is like the coolest jewelry hack that I have come across. So what you do, you actually get if you like to layer necklaces, like this would be for 3 necklaces, you would take the ends of your necklace and clip them on here, and then take these spring rings and clip them on the end of your necklaces. And then you can use this barrel clasp, just opens up like that, and then you can take them all on and off at the same time. It also helps to keep them separated while you're wearing them. So it's a pretty cool little thing. And all the metal on here is stainless steel. Don't have to worry about it tarnishing. And when I sell these, I also put in a little instruction guide on how to attach your necklaces. And the next item I got are these stainless steel spacer beads. So these are also for this bracelet here. That's the beads that are right here. These are little spacers. So that's what I use those for. And it looks like we have more tube beads. These are actually the stainless steel barrel clasps. So that's the one I was just showing you. These right here. So I ordered a bunch of those. I already have the jump rings, so I didn't order jump rings, but now I have the lobster clasp and the barrel clasp. So just refreshing my stock because I was running low on those. And a few more of these guys. This is what was the holdup on my order. These little stainless steel butterfly charms. Now they're really cute. Take them out of the bag here. I forget how many was in the order. I think it was like something crazy, like 250 or something. Something that I really didn't need that many all at once. So I was fine with just canceling the order for the rest of these. And this is plenty. This will last me a little while. And what I do with those is make these layered necklaces. So that's the middle necklace is what I put a charm on. And I have different charms, not just butterflies. Butterflies are real popular, and this is like such a cute one. So I just wanted to show you how it looks. I put these 3 necklaces on a card, so that way you can see them real good, and it's easy to just put this in a bag and hand it to the customer. This necklace is the shortest one, and that one is 15 inches. The charm necklace is 18 inches, and the longest one with crystal pendant is 22 inches. And since these are all separate necklaces, this will be a great little accessory to use with these 3 chains if you wanted to wear them all together. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, this is the other bracelet that has 2 beads on it, and the 2 beads, I don't use these 2 beads, I use the ones that I got the first time that were a little not curved enough. So let me show you the difference. So if you're buying these type of 2 beads, you just have to be really careful because the curve can make a big difference on how your bracelet's gonna look. So if you see the difference, this one is way more curved. So if you put 3 of these together, it's almost gonna be like a triangle shape instead of like a perfectly round shape. So I'm glad I came up with this little idea here. These also have the little spacer beads on them that I was showing you earlier. And this one I used, these are called bolo bracelets. So you can pull this little bead out and slip it over your hand. And then you just pull this back. It's a little tricky doing it yourself, but not too hard. And then there you have your bracelet. And you can make it as loose or as tight as you want. And then you just pull this back out and you can slip it off. These are also all stainless steel. So everything on here is stainless steel, except for of course the colored beads. These are blue agate. Very pretty. I like how the blue agate has like different colors and stuff in it. It's kind of like a swirl. And here's more of the spring ring clasp for my layered necklace clasps. And the rest of these are just 2 beads, I believe. I think there was only 5 items that I had in this package. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know you're liking the videos. And let me know if there's anything on this video that you would want me to do a tutorial on. Any of these, or anything else you're interested in, or if you have any questions. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.